Hi and welcome to my kitchen. Thanks for joining me for another weekly video. This week's recipe, gingerbread cookies. Popular for the holidays, this recipe is a favorite year after year, and the recipe is listed below and on the screen. 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, 1 cup of melted butter, 3/4 cups of molasses, and some spices, cinnamon, ginger, salt, and allspice, 1 egg mixed to combine, 3 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda. Mix those well to combine and place that into a plastic wrap and chill it for about an hour or up to overnight. Cut into thirds. I freeze 1/3 for Christmas Eve, and I do recommend that. But working with thirds, I place it into a plastic wrap, and I do recommend that you do not use flour. Use plastic wrap to roll it out. It just works so much better that way. So using the plastic wrap, roll and smooth until you get a 1/4 inch thickness, and using a gingerbread man cookie cutter, no matter the size, go ahead and measure out and cut as many as you can out of that one piece of dough. And you will repeat this process until all your dough has been rolled out and cut out. So there goes my gingerbread man. I rolled out again, and I'm cutting as much as I possibly can get out of this. And then in order to get it out, some of them will stick, and I just tap and it comes right off. Then go ahead and place that onto a lined baking sheet. Don't pick them up with your hands. I highly recommend that you use a spatula for this, and then as you can see, you just want to wiggle it to get it off and into that. Bake in a 350-degree Fahrenheit oven for about 8 to 12 minutes and allow it to cool. And then what you want to do is go ahead and remove those to cool completely onto a wire rack. I like them as is. A lot of families love to decorate with royal icing, your choice, but the cookies are delicious, hot out of the oven, and make great gifting for this time of year. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week with a new video.